Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the sputum examination. Case finding is passive. Patient presenting themselves with symptoms suspicious of tuberculosis are screened through two sputum smear examination on the spot. Early morning, sputum positive, sputum negative. Protocol for diagnosis. Diagnostic algorithms for the pulmonary TB, cough for 2 weeks or more. Two sputum smear, one or two positive, two negative. In this case, one or two positive, their sputum positive and anti-TB treatment will be start. And in case of the two negative, antibiotic 10 to 14 days, cough persist, repeat two sputum examination, and there are the one or two positive and also two negative. In case of the two negative, X-ray chest suggestive of TB, negative for TB, and suggestive of TB and the sputum negative TB, that is anti-TB treatment will be start. And in case of the negative for the TB, that is the non-TB, DOTS facility are available free of cost at your nearest healthcare center. Next is the diagnostic algorithm for the pediatric pulmonary TB. In case of the pediatric TB, the pulmonary TB suspected the fever and or the cough for 2 weeks, loss of the weight, no weight gain, history of the contact with the suspected or the diagnosed case of action TB. It expectorations and also present. If yes, examine the two sputum smears. There are also the one or two positive, two negative. In case of one or two positive, there are the sputum positive PTB, anti-TB treatment will be start. And if the two negative, antibiotics 10 to 14 days cough persist, repeat two sputum smear examination, one or two positives, two negative. In case of two negative, X-ray maintenance and also negative for TB. Suggestive of the TB, refer to the pediatric and sputum negative TB, that is anti-TB treatment will be start. Source facility are available for free of cost for any center for the pediatric treatment. That is the DOTS program and the components of the DOTS program: political commitment, accountability, and also direct observation, good quality sputum smear. Next is the DOT agent, that is the multi-purpose health workers, Anganwadi workers, DIIS, ex-patients, social workers, teachers, others. Drugs used, that is the isoniazid 600 mg, rifamycin 450 mg, pyrazinamide 1500 mg, ethambutol 1200 mg, and the streptomycin, that is for the 0.75 gram. In today's class, I discuss about the DOTS program and also about the protocol for the diagnosis and sputum examination. Thank you for watching.